Hello friends, welcome to Junior's World. Today we will learn about nouns and yes, it will be super easy. So let's begin. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word. Everything we see around us have name. It can be a person, place, animal or things. Even your name is also a noun. As you know, we see many people around us. All of them have names such as mother, father, teacher, doctor, and many more. Let's look at the screen. These are the images of places. Places also have names like school, house, hospital, park, and many more places. What we are seeing now? We are seeing the images of animals. Animals also have names like dog, cat, elephant, horse, and many more animals. Look at some things around us. These things we see or use every day, like an orange, umbrella, teddy bear, pencil, and ball, etc. So friends, remember, a noun is a naming word, the name of person, place, animal, or thing. Quiz time! It's time for the quiz. Are you ready? We will take some sentences and guess the noun. The sentence is, the girl is reading a book. Guess the noun. Yes, you are right. Girl and book both are the nouns. Girl is a person noun and book is a thing noun. The cat is on the mat. Find the noun. Cat and mat both are the nouns. Cat is an animal noun. Mat is a thing noun. The children are playing in the park. The answer is children and park. Both are the nouns. Children is a person noun and park is a place noun. It's your turn to practice now. Pause the video and practice the nouns on the next pages. Look at this page. The first sentence is, the dog chased the ball. Second sentence is, the girl is in the park. Now look at this. The third one is, the child has a toy. And fourth is, the cat is on the chair. Try to find the nouns from the sentences by your own, without any help. That's all for today. Now you know what a noun is. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for the more fun lesson videos. Bye bye. See you next time.